everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. All right, let's get right into it. I'm gonna give you 26 tips and tricks to grow your YouTube channel. Number one, first thing you wanna do is sign up for Google AdSense. You can look at the reference link below so you can add that to your channel. Number two, you need to have a minimum of 1,000 followers and 4,000 hours of watch time over the past 12 months. That's really super important. Now, if you delete videos, those hours of watch time will go away. Number three, when you upload a video, click on the turn on ads feature, okay? Number four, when are you getting paid? YouTube pays the 21st of each month. Number five, you can always view your estimated revenue every 24 hours in the YouTube Studio app. Number six, your commission amount must be a minimum of $100 in order to receive a check. Number seven, create nice looking thumbnails for your channel. Number eight, this is really super important. You want to be very consistent with your uploads. Make sure that you tell your subscribers when they can expect new videos from you. Number nine, go ahead and comment on other YouTube channels that you subscribe to and be interactive. This will also help you increase your organic following just by getting to know other people, making posts and comments, and even making a post or a comment in a video that you liked. Number 10, the best days to post a new YouTube video is Thursday or Friday. Number 11, the best time to post new videos is from 4 p.m. CST or EST. Number 12, be 100% consistent. Let your viewers know when you're gonna post new videos. Share it on all of your other social channels. You know, I've been in marketing for years, and I just, a real basic 101 is that if you don't let people know you're open for business, they're not gonna knock on your door. So go to your Facebook, go to this channel, go to your Twitter, go to everything else and just say you've loaded a new video, maybe put a link in there, and drive traffic from your other social networks to your YouTube channel. Number 13, post as frequently as possible. And if you're really taking this seriously, commit to a minimum of at least 3 times per week in order to do this. Number 14, when you're doing your videos, it's very important that you tell people to like, subscribe, and share, and tap the bell for notifications on all your videos. You want to do this at the beginning and at the end. Number 15, if you make a reference for something. So for example, I did a video on how smart TV and the Ring doorbell has a lot of data security and people can hack in there and get into your home. So if you reference something in your video, make sure you put the link in the description box below to the video that you're referring to. 16, include related social media channels in your About Me section. Make sure that you activate all of your links to ensure that they're working properly and connect to the proper places, including your website, your blog, etc. And number 17, what you want to do is you want to add 250 to 500 words or so in the description of the video. Now, this is important because YouTube actually ranks on content, so unique content will start to be shared. So you want to put the words in the description of the video and, sprinkle in keywords that pertain to your video's content. This will help your organic search results once you start adding more followers and then you start gaining more traction. 18, this is so important. This is so important, and this takes so much research to figure this out. You want to include your keywords in the tags or you'll never be found in YouTube search organically. I have a reference link below for number 18, so you can click on that and look at that. Number 19, at the end of your video, suggest and reference another video that you want them to watch that ties in with the video you just made. So that will keep them on your channel. So for example, if I say, okay, At the end of this video, I say, now I want you to go watch the video that's called YouTube 202. So now I'm going to keep you on my channel by getting you to the next video. So keep doing that. Make sure you put that in your scripts and you plan everything out. 20, you want to create playlists of related videos on your channel. Make sure that your videos are organized and people can access them easily. Number 21, invest in a proper banner and branding. That's it. Number 22, keep branding messages consistent across all your social profiles. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, whatever, LinkedIn, whatever all you're using. Number 23, if you don't have a dedicated space to film and you've been making excuses about why you can't film or why you can't film more, feel free, you can keep the background blurry and just blur out the focus so that you remain the center of attention. People aren't watching what's going on behind you. They're really watching you and what you're saying. So number 24, BRoll, a second angle is also recommended while you're in the middle of a video. So you can do that while you're editing. If you want to have graphics made, again, check Fiverr and there's a link below. It's super inexpensive to get yourself a logo. Number 25, take some time to research and look at what some of the most successful folks are actually doing in your niche to get some ideas for your channel. Number 26, last and foremost here, research has proven that 3 minutes is the optimal length per video to go ahead and execute. So remember, the important thing, the takeaway is at least minimum 1 to 2 videos per week. Publish them on Thursday or Friday at the time frames in which I said. And as always, thank you so much for your time and attention and energy today. Thank you for stopping by. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. Please go ahead and make a comment. Let me know what else you'd like to see, and we'll see you soon.